In this video, I'll explain how to set up your ConnectPlus account properly, so you can begin displaying ads within your app. First of all, you'll need to log in into your ConnectPlus account and click on the Setup Wizard tool, which is on the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you can create a number of ad banner placements which you can include within your app. Click on Create New at the top right of your screen to get started. Give your ad placement a name, for example, your app header or your app footer. Wherever you want adverts to be displayed within your app, only you can see this information to help you identify where different ads are appearing. When you've done that, choose the correct platform for your app. This part is crucial to get right, to ensure ads for your app get shown to the right people. For example, if you have a Magento app, you won't want to show ads to Shopify customers, isn't it? If you have the same app on different platforms, such as both Shopify and Magento, you'll need to create separate ad placements and code for each one. The next step is to choose how many banners you want to display. The more ads you choose to display, the more credits you'll get to promote your own app. Now it's time to exclude your competitors, so you don't see any ads appearing within your app that are promoting rival apps. You can choose to exclude certain app store categories simply by highlighting which ones you want to exclude and then clicking on the arrow buttons. You can also identify specific Shopify apps to exclude by searching for them here, and then use the arrow button to move them across to the excluded section. When you've done these steps, you will need to copy a couple of snippets of code and paste them inside your app. Simply click and drag to highlight this first piece of code, then copy it. Paste the code anywhere above the body tag in the footer within your app's code. The second piece of code is a little shorter and should be pasted where you want ads to be displayed within your app. For example, the header, footer, left or right side. You can add styling options to this code if you wish. When you're finished, click Save. You'll then be taken back to the Setup Wizard where you can see your new ad placement that you've just created. Once your ad is up and running, you'll be able to monitor how many views, clicks, and the click-through rate of each one of your ad placements. Once you've set up your ConnectPlus account properly by following the steps outlined in this video, you can launch your first ad campaign. Please watch the next video on how to do this.